Happy New Year. Hopefully you're with the family enjoying yourself. If not, do I have a YouTube video for you? We've got the Honda CBR here. Alright, we're lubing stuff up this episode. We've got chain lube. We're going to change the oils and we're going to check the fluid levels and let's go. Found this one at Woolworths. Don't buy it. It's for bicycles, not motorbikes. We're going to Bunnings to get lube. Okay, so we've come to the Bunnings. Chain lube oil, $17.50. Half the price is Super Cheap. Come on, Super Cheap, lift your game. Now we're leaving Bunnings. So yours bubbles.
Mine's foamy.
Yeah. Mine isn't, I don't think. And then the WD-40.
Just gotta wash my hands and put on another jumper now to do this one.
So first things first is if we're going to lube up the chain, we better undo the safety precautions of it getting stolen and remove this chain. I just have to go find my keys. Got a bit of a side do going on. And we're not rich enough for one of those nice U-Butte motorcycle stands. So we're going to put the jack under it with a piece of wood. And we're just going to find out where this piece of wood can actually go and sit on the bike. So we don't damage off it, but we still get the back wheel to go up and not the front wheel, hopefully. Oh, this could take a while, people. But as you can see, there's like a little swing arm freaking suspension something there it's going to connect to, and it does look like it wants to tip over, so I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Oh, we just got to get that back wheel off the ground. That's all we have to do. Oh, and make sure it's in neutral. Is that it? Hey, we're rotating. One more for good luck, or one more to tip it over. Yeah, that's us. Woo woo! Woo woo! Should give myself a bit more room. Car's kind of in the way. So all I have here is a bucket of water, some dishwashing liquid on the rag, and then I'm just gonna sort of soak it up. And then we're just gonna wipe that gunk away. As you can see, I've got a bit of rust, which is a good indicator that it needed oil, because the rust shouldn't end up being on there. But we're using soap because degreaser and all that type of stuff is too harsh for the O-rings, because this says it's an O-ring. Same with the oil. Should make sure that that is also O-ring safe. Anyway, I'll go get the holder. This is taking too long. Yeah, back to where we were. Like I was saying, just sort of want to just rotate it round till you see it clean up. All that gunk. Get all three sides if you can. Clean the sprocket if you want to. And that is horrible. Like I said, I should get a toothbrush. Okay, change of plans, people. We just got some water, some dishwashing liquid, you can get at Woolies, and a quick spray of degreaser. Because degreaser is too much by itself, but watered down and in this stuff, it'll help. It won't take too much. Stir, and look, it smells like degreaser. but it looks like dishwashing. And then we're going with a toothbrush. Don't bother with the rag. We want some vision from this angle. I don't know which way you want to go, clockwise, anti-clockwise, whatever works for me, if you ask me. And not only by doing this do you make your bike cleaner, but your mechanic will love you for it too, whoever's got to work on the bike. Not so dirty and oily. Or black oil anyway, it'll still be oily. Because you're about to spray oil on it, aren't you? Nice if we get rid of some of this rust. Oh, I wish I had the boy here. Could have put him to work. Where are you, Kobe? Probably should check the front sprocket too. And how do you tell when you've been around the whole way? Look for your link. Oh, there it is. Right. Quickly give it one over. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here, spin the wheel. That'll clear most of that shit off. Oh, too hard with the phone. You've seen it. Okay, so now that that's done, I might just let it air off until tomorrow, and then I'll put the oil on it, because I don't want to put oil on water. It don't mix. And now it looks absolutely filthy. In other words, clean. Oh, can you hear those bikes in the background? Someone's fanging. Someone's having a go. It's clean Honda cbr250r 2011 model. Pretty bike. Now, another way I could get this to dry off quicker is take it for a run and let the wind do all the work. I gotta get my helmet. I gotta ride it. I gotta get my helmet. There it is. There it is. Let's go. On that note, the bike has been sitting here for half a week, so I'm not sure if it's even gonna have any power. Let's find out. Oh, we've got lights. We've got noise. We've got nothing. Why do we have nothing, people? What are you seeing that I'm not? Oh, that's right, we're in gear. Ah, there we go. Now we're in neutral. Now will it start?